Hi there. Welcome to Say It Right. Today's word is genre. It is spelled G-E-N-R-E, but it is pronounced genre. The ZH sound is soft, like this in measure, followed by anra. Let's break it down. Genre. Say it with me slowly. Genre. Great. Now, what does genre mean? Genre is a noun that means a category or type, especially in art, music, literature, or movies. For example, romance is my favorite genre of movies, or the novel falls under the mystery genre. See how it describes specific categories? Let's practice it one more time. Say it with me. Genre. Awesome, you've got it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who enjoys learning new words. And remember, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.